Welcome to Section 1, Introduction. In 2019, Rhode Island General Law Section 16 through 22 through 31 was passed by the state legislature, signaling the importance of excellence in learning via high-quality curriculum and instruction. The law requires RIDE to develop statewide curriculum frameworks that support high-quality teaching and learning. The Early Learning Curriculum Framework is specifically designed to address the criteria outlined in the legislation. RIDE envisions an educational landscape in which all children in Rhode Island will enter kindergarten developmentally, social-emotionally, and educationally ready to succeed, putting them on a path to read proficiently by third grade. Educators and researchers have long recognized the importance of achieving reading proficiency by the end of third grade, when children begin to shift from learning to read to reading to learn. Students who do not successfully reach this milestone struggle in the later grades and are 4 times more likely to drop out of high school than their proficient peers. The purpose of the Early Learning Framework is to provide guidance around the implementation of the Rhode Island Early Learning and Development Standards, RILDS, particularly as it relates to the design and use of curriculum materials, instruction, and assessment for programs serving children ages birth through 5. The goal of the Early Learning Framework is to create conditions in which all of our state's youngest learners will have the opportunity to be immersed in a play-based environment supported by high-quality curriculum, instruction, and assessment practices that are aligned with the RILDS. Each curriculum framework, in partnership with high-quality curriculum materials, informs decisions about curriculum material use, instruction, and assessment in line with current standards and with a focus on facilitating equitable and culturally responsive learning opportunities for all students. District and program administrators may use this framework to better understand what the instructional cycle should look like within the early learning context. Educators may use this framework as a go-to resource for understanding how to create standards-aligned curriculum, instruction, and assessment in their classrooms. The curriculum frameworks are organized as follows. Section 2 lists the standards and provides a range of resources to help educators understand and apply them. Addresses how standards support the selection and implementation of high-quality curriculum materials. Section 3 provides guidance and support around building high-quality, standards-aligned instruction in the early learning classroom. Within the Early Learning Framework, this section will include important information and resources needed to set the stage for learning, prepare your early learning environment for success, and facilitate children's learning through high-quality instructional strategies. And finally, Section 4 offers resources and support for using high-quality, standards-aligned early learning assessment. Within the Early Learning Framework, this section will include important information and resources on the purposes and types of assessment, the hallmarks of high-quality early childhood assessment, the assessment cycle, and family engagement with assessment. Please continue to Section 1, Introduction, for a more thorough introduction to the curriculum frameworks.